Greetings from Test Prep Card. The thing is that here at Test Prep Card, what we have realized over a period of 12 years, that children who are abroad, I mean Southeast Asia, Middle East, US, or in different part of the world, we find that they are a little bit away from this culture, and this culture which is called problem solving application. Right? They are naturally good at theories and concepts, but wherever it comes about a problem solving skill, over there they lack. That's why I use a word which is called culture. They lack it just because of the culture that stresses a lot on theories being translated into concepts. But after the concept there is a void, and the void is that your word or the students, they don't know what to practice, where to practice, how to practice. And this all about is preparation for JEE, right? Now let me tell you that in order to acquire a problem solving application, it is mandatory for a child that after theories and concepts, he is practicing a particular set of questions which are of different level of difficulty as per the design of JEE, which is defined on a difficulty level of 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So Test Prep Card makes this thing very synchronized, right? And that is simply because of the robust system of the test culture. It's a compulsive system that after doing a particular topic, your child has to undergo a test. Now let me define this for you, that here at Test Prep Card, the ecosystem of test, right, the evaluation that we have created is the most robust, and this is what we are known for all over the world, right? Now, the very first type of test, after doing every session, that is followed by a test which is of 20 to 25 minutes, and the content of that test is based on whatever you have been taught in that particular session. That's the first type of test. The second type of test is basically known as weekly test. Whatever you have studied in the whole week, during this whole week, you are tested for that, right? That test is of 60 minutes. In addition to the sessions, okay, we along with the other students of that batch, in coordination with them, we would be deciding a particular time when everyone is comfortable, right? And that test is of 60 minutes, right? This whole test ecosystem, right? The purpose of creating this whole ecosystem of the test is very simple, so that we can create a synopsis, we can create a report, and we can send this to the students on monthly basis as well as to the parents, so that in order to know the facts about the academic progress of your child, you are not based on us, you have not to ask us. The whole test report in PDF form, it goes to you on monthly basis. You can check how far your child is away from the target, what basically the gap that your child has to fill in order to get the cutoff for JEE, right? And this is the most beautiful thing here at Test Prep Card. We do it in a very disciplined way, in a religious way. Now, the third type of test is basically the topic test. I'm going to show you. I've got a bunch of chemistry tests, right, which is available to you in hard copy, and this is what we send to a place in hard copy, right? It's a bunch of tests. It starts with the test 1, and throughout the course you are going to practice. For chemistry there would be 23 tests. We have got physics test, which is a bunch of 20 tests. Mathematics, right, which is again a bunch of 20 tests, and this is completely based on the syllabus which is given to us by NTA JEE authority. Fourth type of test is basically a bunch of 8 tests, which is known as unit test. And what is this unit test? Where we have clubbed 2-3 chapters together for physics, chemistry and math, right? And then your child is tested for that, which is again about physics, chemistry and math, a unit test, okay? And here what happens, that after doing each unit test, each and every question would be a matter of doubt removal. And the fourth type of test, okay, and this unit test is altogether 80 in number, the topic test is altogether 66 in number, 20 in number, right? And this is practice towards the leg of the test, okay? So altogether for JEE, your child is practicing approximately 9,000 questions throughout the course, right? Now, I forgot to tell you one thing. Knowingly or unknowingly, your child is practicing from the best of the books, right? Or the problem books, which basically, in fact, our test series is a compilation of the problems from the best of the books. I can read this to you, okay? For physics, it is from H.C. Verma, D.C. Pandey books in 5 volumes. Then we have got, Arihant book also again by D.C. Pandey, the last 40-year question papers for physics, chemistry and math for JEE. And then of Irodov. And the best thing is that each and every question is a matter of doubt removal, right? Each and every question. For chemistry, we have got J.D. Lee, Vipul Mehta and O.P. Tandon. These are, less questions from these 3 books, but more questions from Mr. Narendra Avasthi, Organic Chemistry, Modern Approach to Chemical Calculation by Mr. R.C. Mukherjee, Inorganic Chemistry by Vishal Joshi and V.K. Jaiswal. And again, in this chemistry topic test, we have incorporated 40-year questions of JEE Main also. For mathematics, let me read this to you, that complete mathematics is by Mr. Ravi Prakash, Ajay Kumar and Usha Gupta. Mathematics MCQ by A. Das Gupta. Some objective mathematics from R.D. Sharma, right? Now, you also would love to know that these questions have been defined into the level of difficulty. In each paper of the test prep card test series for JEE, you shall find that each and every question has got a level of difficulty which is on a scale of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if your child knows, having practiced a particular volume of question, that I am good at level 1 and 2, so why I am trying to be good where I am already good at? Why I am not trying to be good for level 3, 4 and 5, or say level 4, 5 or only level 5, where I need to put more focus. So that is the thing. And each and every question, whatever your child is practicing, is followed by doubt removal session, right? In a small batch. And along with this JEE, your child is also practicing with us for SAT General, so that he can target the best of the cities in US, Canada and Singapore with full scholarship, having written SAT General. So I have got a bunch of hard copy of test which I can show you. This is 10 in number. So approximately 14,000 plus questions both for JEE and SAT1. This writes the success story of a child. So don't wait. Get into it. Start practicing the test with the test prep card. Thank you.